Hey guys, Aaron here. I'm going to show you how to do your HomeLink if you have a newer garage door opener. I have this LiftMaster from Chamberlain. It is a new one. It is called a 2.0 Plus, I believe, something like that. I discovered while trying to program the HomeLink by following the instructions in the manual, holding my remote control up to the front and doing it for the rolling codes, it didn't work. After doing a lot of research, I figured out why I have an older module in my car. So if you have a car before 2010-ish or something like that, I think you have an old module that does not work with some of the latest garage door openers. So I bought this part on eBay. It's actually from a VW or Audi. I'll give you the part number down in the description, but if you search for the correct part number, it will bring you up to one of these things, and you can get it from any, or lots of different kind of car manufacturers, and they all work the same, supposedly, so we're gonna find out. Anyway, this module is right in here behind the bumper. That's why they make you hold your garage door opener here when you try to program it. And supposedly these are just plug and play. So I have to get to it, unplug it, and plug this new one in, and it's supposed to just magically work. So you don't have to take the bumper off completely to get to it, I think. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my whole bumper off because I'm about to clean the radiators. And if you have not cleaned your radiators, probably a good time to do it. Mine is full of leaves and crap down there. So we're gonna do two for one. I'm making a separate video on how to remove the bumper, so check it out up here if you like. I'm gonna come back to this video once the bumper is removed and show you where this module is. Okay, with the bumper removed, you can easily see this little guy, which I'm gonna guess is this guy here. So it looks like it just has a different case. Mine goes like this. And this case clamps it onto the rear. Looks like it's just got a little, let's see, let's do it. Oh, okay. So it just slides right out like that. It's just clamped in there, and little wiring harness. Let me disconnect that. Okay, beautiful. So there's our old one. It went there, and here is our original part number of the HomeLink guy. That does not work. All right, so it looks like mine was just snapped in this case. I guess that's the case for the Audi or whatever. All right, so out with the old, in with the new, and just clip him right back in there. Snap him back on. All right, that's how easy it is without the bumper on. By the way, this exact same thing happened to my 987 as well. It's a 2006, so I will be buying another one of those, assuming this works. All right, now we're gonna go back to the manual and turn the ignition on. All right, so gonna turn ignition on. All right, hold in this button. We got a slow flash. We have 5 minutes to get out of the car and do this step here. Now remember, your fog lights have to be off for this. I'm programming my second button. I'm gonna hold it here near that new module we just installed. Hold it in, and oh yes, look at that, we got our 3 flashes. So that is the step that we were missing, and now we got it to work. All right, since we have the rolling codes, now we need to press this button twice, it says. All right, since doing that, it closed my garage. I'm gonna open it again with my normal opener, and then I'm gonna hit the programming button up there, so I need a ladder. For my particular opener, it is on this side, and I can just grab it, pull it down and unclip it, and we have this little yellow programming button here. So I'm just gonna push that, and that is now flashing. So now, come back in the car, push the button we just programmed 2 times, and I could see my light in there flash, so I'm pretty sure that worked. Yep, now I can push button number 2, and my garage closes. Super cool. All right, it worked. It is fixed. Opening it again. Now Just going to repeat that for this button over here to program it to that garage door opener. So again, since they've been cleared, I can hold this button in. This one starts flashing. Come over here, hold in the big button because that's what I want to program now. Get my 3 flashes. Stop that, open it back up. Come back up the ladder for this one, open him up, get through all the cobwebs. Push my programming button. Back down the ladder into the car, and we will push the one that I just programmed right here. Once, and garage working. Press it again, stop my garage, and we're all programmed. Hope you guys found this helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next Porsche video.